Good morning, Xander. What are you doing?
Hi, I'm doing lines under Aaron's car.
Okay. Do you guys see what I have to put up with every day? Every day.
Oh my god!
So we showed you guys that the old line was pinched right there. So I'm currently making a new one.
Okay.
Using the tool and bending it by hand, depending on the angle.
Right.
And I've got to go from here and then down and just kind of follow. Go through the
Okay,
clamp.
so we need to go from there over,
Yeah.
inside the clamp, over to the T. So,
Yeah.
beautiful, beautiful.
So I've got 2 bends out of like 500. So
Right?
we're doing it.
75,000 to go.
Anyways, so probably see you guys again when I have this finished.
Dying over here.
There's people that would pay to see that.
Me.
And me. So, on that note,
You
ladies
guys
and
like
ladies and
having
gentlemen,
jobs?
we are going to let you see the next video when Xander's done and has it almost all the way taken care of. Thanks, guys. What are you doing, Xander?
I don't know, my nose kind of burns. I'm done doing lines under Aaron's car.
What?
So,
Oh my God, I work with a bunch of children.
hey, I am 18, so like I'm basically a child.
No, you're technically an adult now at this point. I don't want to hear
I'm 17 if you're.
a specific person. Yes, I agree.
Anyways, done.
Came out really good. I like that.
Yeah. If it gets caked with dirt and everything, it'll look factory.
Okay, so we're good. Are we doing the other one as well?
No,
Bob?
it's not kinked or anything.
No, the other one's fine.
Okay, I just double checking so everybody knows what we're doing.
Yeah, no kinks or anything.
Yeah, I mean they did. They came out really good. Yeah, great job, guys. So on that note, what do we say, Xander?
Ooga booga.